Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the archived conversation. Open Gmail and search within, anywhere plus a sender or subject to pull up the exact thread. This ensures you're not guessing. Once done, switch to the All Mail view if the search returns too many results. All Mail includes archived items. Make sure to use single or double-quoted phrases for precise matches. If you're on mobile, tap the search bar and enter the same query. The message will appear without needing to toggle labels first. After locating the message, restore it to the inbox. This is the actionable undo step. If you're in list view, check the box beside the thread and click the Move to Inbox button in the toolbar. If you open the message, use the inbox icon at the top. Once moved, Gmail removes the archive status and applies the inbox label. Make sure to refresh the view or navigate to Inbox to confirm. If multiple messages need undoing, use Multi-Select and apply Move to Inbox in one action. Finish by confirming the email now appears in Inbox. Refresh or reopen the folder so Gmail updates labels. If the thread still isn't visible, rerun the Anywhere search and inspect your filters. An active filter can auto-archive incoming messages. Also check third-party mail clients or automation scripts that might re-archive messages immediately. If a filter is the culprit, edit or disable it, then move the message back to Inbox again. That fixes most failures and prevents repeat archiving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.